Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing my September subscription boxes. I got Ipsy, I have BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and I do get to pick a couple of things, but I never remember what I chose by the time they arrive. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Now before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications of new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to find out along with me what I got in my subscription boxes, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so it's been a day and these arrived a couple days ago. I just wanted to dive into the subscription boxes and see what they had in store for us. I will start out with this one, which I think is the glam bag. I only recently started getting it a couple months ago. I want to say it's like $13. I'll double check. All the details for the subscriptions and how much they are will be in the drop down box below. So if you're interested in getting your own subscription, definitely click down there and check it all out, because I do get some amazing things. Sometimes they're repeats of previous boxes. Sometimes they're repeats of items I already have in my collection or have received previously. So I just put them in the giveaway drawer, which is currently empty. I just did the giveaway for my birthday month in August and we are starting fresh. So whatever items we get in here, they might end up in the giveaway drawer. All right, so starting out, we do have the little Ipsy bag, has a little tassel on it. Very cute. I don't know if there's an info. There's not an info card. There's actually two items in here that I don't think fit in the bag. Oh, there's a card in here. Okay, it has no details about the products. So I need my Ipsy app. All right, so the one thing with the app, it will tell you the items that are in your glam bag. And it'll also tell you, because glam bag is trial size or tester sizes, sometimes like deluxe sample sizes, but they're never the full size product. First thing in here, this is the Koki Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. Play 2-in-1, waterproof and smudge-proof, long-lasting up to 12 hours. Oh, so it has amethyst and matte black. That's awesome. It is a $10 value. Sometimes I hate packaging. It can be the worst. Now it's just static stuck to my finger. All right, so this is what it looks like. Looks like it's fine-tipped felt, not brush style. Oh, okay, so this is amethyst, which is a like kohl liner, maybe for the waterline. That might be fun. We have the Pacifica Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. This is a deluxe mini, but it doesn't tell me like how much the full size costs. Ooh, look at the packaging details. That is cute. I do like their artwork. I haven't used Pacifica a lot, and that is a massive brush. Interesting. We will definitely put this in the drawer to try out. Next we have the Lumiere Dehive Super Comb Prep and Protect. Oh, okay, so this is a hair protectant. Leave-in conditioner aids in detangling for all hair types. This is great because I just did a vlog showing you guys how I do my hair in the morning for the military, and I always spray in leave-in conditioner just so that it helps strengthen and keep it nourished when it's pulled back in my fun little bun. I will add that into my daily routine. We have the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. I'm an oily gal. This is probably gonna go in the giveaway drawer only because I've used First Aid Beauty. I absolutely love their products, but I am an oily gal and I don't need that intense hydration. I wish I could use this. So this will go in the giveaway drawer as well. Actually, this is the first thing in the giveaway drawer. It's empty, it's so weird. And then the last item from our glam bag, Evening Detox Cleansing Water, a no-nonsense nighttime cleanser to purify and revitalize pollution-exposed skin. They did tape it shut so it didn't like bust open or anything. Okay, so this, I think at night after I do my makeup cleansing balm, do this on a cotton pad, wipe off the rest of my makeup, and then do my normal skincare routine. So this will just take place of my toner or my other, I have one from Fresh, the kombucha one. So I'll add this in and switch it out. But you guys, that is it for the glam bag. Okay, now we have BoxyCharm by Ipsy. It's not the icon box, I don't think. Yes. So it has the pamphlet. It is the BoxyCharm box. Find your groove. Let's see, does it have details about products? Oh, I think it does. We'll see. Otherwise, I've got my app. First up, we have the Jasmine. I was close. We just don't use cursive like we used to, and I had to learn it in high school. I have to teach it when I was an RDC. I would teach new recruits how to sign their name. This is Jasmine Beauty. Complexion Essentials brush set. 3-piece set includes angled blush brush, bronzer brush, and detail setting brush. Ooh, okay. This retails for $54. Actually, I don't know that I need more brushes. I literally have a whole drawer right here of brushes. So I'm not gonna touch them. They look really nice. They're each individually packed. I'm gonna add these into the giveaway drawer. I would hate to open them up knowing that I have brushes that are probably similar when one of you could benefit from it. So it's in the giveaway drawer. We have the Tarte High Performance Natural Shape Tape Glow Wand. I have gotten this before. I do not preference it. I love Tarte Shape Tape. I love the one they just put out, which is like the Radiance. Love both the original and Radiance. I'm not a huge fan of the Glow Wand. It doesn't, my creases, it likes to settle into them. It's not cute. This retails for $30. I have it in the shade Dream, which is very light. And I'm not gonna open it up. I'm not gonna touch any like of the components, but this is what it looks like. I wanna say, didn't it used to have like something on top of it that was like a little blender? I thought it did. Maybe they remodeled it, revamped it. This is going in the giveaway drawer. We have, ooh, I love this brand. This is Elemis's Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. First off, Elemis is not cheap. I think in August, I got their moisturizer, which I'd used before. It's like their marine cream. That stuff was expensive. This is not on my thing for like what I was supposed to receive, so I couldn't tell you how much it's supposed to be. It's a refreshing facial toner, moisten cotton wool pad, and wipe gently over the face after cleansing. I do love Elemis products. They are some of my favorites. Like I said, they're not usually like super affordable. I think the marine cream is like $130 for a bottle of it. I will see if I can find it in the app when I go to add all of this up. But I will definitely, I'll put this with my detox cleansing water and we will add it into the nightly routine. Probably switch up the different products that I use. I got acne the other day and I was like, this isn't normal. So I had to switch out some products. It happens. We have the Biro salmon cream. It says it right there. Salmon cream. This was my beauty boost. It retails for $120. I hope there's not a whole salmon in here. $120. What does it say it will do? It's made with omega-3s and fatty acid-rich salmon to help improve skin health and fight signs of aging, plus niacinamide, a derm favorite ingredient to help fade redness, brighten your skin tone, minimize pores, and smooth texture. I'm intrigued to know what this smells like. Ooh! It comes with a little scoop, so I don't have to stick my fingers in there. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. I'll use my nail to like get some of it out of there. I hate digging it in and then it ends up in my nail and it's a whole thing. Packaging is cute. Should have showed you that first. This is what the package looks like. It is super cute, aesthetically pleasing. I'm nervous for this. It does not smell like fish. That's relief. All right, we will hold on to this. It is really cute though. You know, this would definitely be something that I would like set on the counter next to the sink. Put it on like one of those little display trays. No, I do not have one of those right now. I have one like a perfume tray, but my bathroom counters are not that big. Maybe one day I'll have a big fancy house. Ooh, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is from Laura Geller. And then, of course, it's wrapped in bubble wrap to make sure that it's protected. This is the Laura's Essentials Soft Satin 6 Matte Eyeshadows plus 2 highlighters. Ooh, this retails for $20. I do like Laura Geller products. I have one of her baked blushes. Okay, this packaging is so cute. I love all the flowers. Okay, Part of me wants to keep this and part of me wants to put it in the giveaway because so these are all matte shades and then these two are highlighters. Granted, highlighters can also be your shimmer shade on the inner corner, but I feel like I have these in my collection already. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it into the giveaway. I would hate to hold on to it knowing that I have similar products. I do like Laura Geller products, but this can go in the giveaway to someone who maybe doesn't have these in their collection. We have the Benefit Professional Super Setter. Did I purchase this? Okay, so this was an add-on. I do that sometimes. I must have said that I wanted like just a sample size of it. I have a lot of setting sprays open right now. It doesn't tell me how much the full size is. The little travel size, this will be perfect. I have a trip at the end of September to go up to New York. So I'll take this as well as my Charlotte Tilbury and see which one like holds up the best because I have full days worth of things planned. I'll probably take you guys along with me. If you want to see that, put the video camera and Lady Liberty emojis in the comments and I will vlog that trip. All right, so this I will try later. We have the Phase Zero Santorini Quad Eyeshadow Palette. Wait, this is the second eyeshadow palette. I am not mad. I love eyeshadow. Very sleek packaging, very minimalistic. Santorini. Santorini is in Greece, which I've never been and I would love to go. So apparently I picked this. There's like a little circle that says you picked this. This retails for $21. Doesn't want to open. It does not want to come out. Oh, that is super cute. I like the shades. The yellow's not really my shade, but this matte shade is. Now here's my dilemma. These two shimmers, I want to swatch them, but they are too dark to do like work stuff and there's not really a shade to deepen up. I know I picked it, but I think I'm going to put it in the giveaway. I love makeup, but I also need to be realistic about the things that I'm going to keep. And this one's just, it's gonna go in the giveaway box. Last item in here, and I also love this brand. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. I kept seeing these and thought about purchasing them, but I was like, how often am I gonna use them? On the weekends or in the evening after work. But I haven't picked one up. Ooh, and it's in the shade Jade. This one I also picked according to the app. It retails for $22. Sometimes products are just super difficult to open up. Like no one wants to fight with packaging. All that for this. The smallest thing can be the most difficult to open. All right, so the packaging is really sleek. I don't know if you can see like the chromatic effect to it. Kind of looks like an oil slick. Now, this one I do want to swatch. Ooh, that will be so much fun. It has like lime green to tealish blue. Ooh, look at this. On camera is not doing it justice. In person, it is so beautiful. It's like a limey green to like an icy, just an icy blue. It is so stunning. I'm really excited to play with this one. Oh, and you can kind of like blend it out a little bit. Maybe you just want that smudge effect. Granted, I have eyeshadows that do similar, but I can never get a precise line like I would with an eyeliner. Granted, there's brushes for that. Sometimes I don't have the patience. Okay, let me go add up this box, see if I can find the price for the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner, and I will come back with a total. Okay, you guys, I just looked it up to verify. BoxyCharm cost me $28 a month, and this box totaled $267. That's pretty freaking good. The other thing that I don't have prices for that were additional are the Benefit Professional Super Setter, which was just an add-on, and then the Elemis Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. I looked in the Ipsy app as well as on Ulta because that is also where I found Elemis sold before, and neither of them have it. So I don't know if it's maybe a discontinued product and they were just putting them in the boxes, or maybe it's a newer product that they're about to introduce. I don't know, because both of those have happened before. I will say though, I love Elemis and their skincare products. I absolutely love incorporating them in my morning or nighttime routine, which right now I have in my morning routine. Now, Glam Bag is $13 a month. So if, like I said in the beginning, if you're interested in getting your own subscription from Ipsy or BoxyCharm by Ipsy, definitely click the drop down box and check out the details below. But you guys, that is it for this video. I'm really excited. There's some great products that ended up in the giveaway drawer. We went from being an empty drawer to 6 products in there for the next giveaway, which will probably be around the holidays, which are quickly approaching. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.